Hi friends, welcome to YumVegCooking, and today we are making the very delicious Paneer Tikka. And for all those who think this is a very hard recipe to make, trust me, it is just nothing. You just take some yogurt, put a good amount of spices, mix it up, and just cook it on a pan for like 4 to 5 minutes and you're done. This yummy Paneer Tikka will be ready in minutes before you know. So let's get started. So first, in a mixing bowl, I've taken 1 cup of yogurt. To this we'll add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of Dhaniya Powder, 1 teaspoon of Zeera Powder, half a teaspoon of Black Salt, 1 teaspoon of Amchur Powder, 1 teaspoon of Chaat Masala, and about 1 tablespoon of Kasoori Methi. Rub it in your hands and let it go in the yogurt. Half a teaspoon of Haldi or turmeric. 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri Mirch powder for a good color. Squeeze half to 1 lemon. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Around 2 tablespoons of besan. And then in a pan, I've heated up 2 to 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. When it's really hot and boiling, then you put it in the yogurt and give it a nice mix. To this, add onion cubes, capsicum cubes, and paneer cubes. Put them all in together and then give it a nice mix. You can put it in the fridge for like 5 minutes so that they coat well. So give it a nice mix. And it's almost done. You just need to wait for 5 more minutes. So now I'm using bamboo skewers. I'll skew them on. So first goes in the onions, then the capsicum, and then the paneer. And I'll put even layers. And I'm making 2 skewers right now. If you don't have them, you don't need to bother. You just put these veggies directly on a pan and cook it evenly from all sides. They'll just taste as good. So now on a hot pan, I've added mustard oil. So this is very important. You can only use mustard oil in this recipe because it gives that extra flavor to this Paneer Tikka. And then once the oil is hot, we'll cook these bamboo skewers, the Paneer Tikka, from all sides. It'll just take like 4 to 5 minutes. We'll keep on flipping the sides. Now when you're cooking on a pan, you'll see that they're not evenly cooking. So what we can do is we can use a spatula to press the Paneer Tikka and the veggies so that they become evenly brown from all sides. If you are cooking them on a grill, then you don't need to bother. You just put them on a grill and they'll cook nicely. But then I'm using a pan today. So just pressing it from all sides. And in 5 minutes, we'll see that all our sides are nice golden brown. And it's almost ready to serve. And I think it's looking amazing. And I'm sure you think the same. So we'll put it on a plate and squeeze some lemon. Put some chaat masala if you like. And you can serve it with green chutney. And if you've not tried the green chutney yet, there's a link at the top. Please check out that recipe. The green chutney is delicious. It goes really well with this Paneer Tikka. So do try this combination of green chutney and Paneer Tikka, and please tag a photo in the comment section. We'd love to hear back from you. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.